Y'all, I want to show y'all another thing that you can do with YouTube Shorts. So say you want to put a title on your YouTube short, so everyone, whenever they see the short, they'll see the title, but you don't want that title to be on the whole video. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I got my song right here. I'm going to hit remix. And this is just any song. I'm just giving this an example. So then I hit remix and I hit edit into a short. And so then I'm just going to do the 15 seconds. I know it's got some words right here, but you know, just go with me on this. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, so I gotta let this load up. Then I'm gonna go right here, and when I type in whatever, I'm just gonna type text. I like this cool little font right here. It's pretty cool. It's the one I usually use, but anything that you want, you know, you go over here and have it. I'm gonna have this one looks a little bit clearer. I can use my hand to pinch it to make it bigger. So if you got a video, say you're talking on a video or whatever you're doing, and this is how you want it in a certain spot. All you gotta do is come down to the bottom, hit timeline, and make this smaller. And then whenever you hit done, go to next, and then you hit the pencil right here at the top right here in this little icon box. Hit the pencil and you drag it, like scrub it to where it says text, hit done. Then you see in the top, that's what your thumbnail is going to look like. So then you don't have to worry about it being saying the title in the whole video. Now you could probably start at the beginning of the video so that it wouldn't interrupt the video while it's playing. I had it in the middle, but that's just an example right there. So hope this helps someone. Subscribe to my page, especially if you like Christian rap. All right, God bless.
Anyway, what was I?
Hold on, I ain't even done.